Get him committed. When you get him committed, it wouldn't yellow. When you get your boy committed, everything will be all right. Yeah, tell him we send him a box of credit cream. I need to write that down. Cradle cream, cradle cream, cradle. Boy, y'all a miss. Perfect. I know he is. He's going to speak to the better. Hey, he's going to holler at her. But I know he is. He can't stay away from that real cradle cream. Cradle head cream. Remember? Hey, John, I'll stay away from them Krispy Kremes, man. They go right to your eyes. Oh, when's that? You got to look at Krispy Kremes. No doubt. You'll get a whole case of and some northern dishes. And some of that extra soft northern dish about very. What's going on? So these were. Whisper, you ain't stepping on this. No one can hear you, Whisperer.
Come over now. It's a full-blown rain here right now, so I can't do anything outside.
It's for you.
I appreciate it. Yeah, we work on these things almost daily to get them to sound better and better and better. I got a little bit of a scratchy voice today, but other than that, man, I'm just working on stage one. That's all I need.
Right about it being noisy out there. For the meantime, have a good rest of the week coming up weekend. There's noisy out there. Still somebody out there on weekend. Popcorn, just put right back there, man. And see your magic, you make a high noise out here in Central Mississippi. Blow out waving ahead. Number one left. Little baby driving an old cream brown gray on the west side.